Hello all, welcome to RootEdu. In this video I am going to tell you about hacking and types of hackers. What we mean by hacking. Hacking is being able to have access to a system that we are not supposed to have. Everyone thinks that hacking is illegal, but hacking is not illegal at all time. And there are three types of hackers. For security confirmation, some hackers hack their system or server of their company to be safe from other hackers. This type of hackers are called as white hat hackers. This type hackers have the permission to hack the server and they don't hack any server for their own benefits. And some hackers hack the server for their own benefits. And this type of hackers are called as black hat hackers. This type of hackers don't have permission to hack. Even they hack the server and blackmail the company or a person. There are some hackers who don't have permission for hacking. Even they hack the server for improving their skills or to inform the company about that loophole. They don't hack any server for their own benefits. So they are not black hat hackers. Either they don't have permission to hack. So they are not white hat hackers. This type of hackers are called as grey hat hackers. Even you can become an ethical hacker by doing some course and you can get jobs for security providing in companies. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.